Right guys, I wanted to show you this turn in Bradford. Now a long time ago, go back 6 months, the left lane used to be for turning left and going ahead. The lane on the right used to be to go ahead only. Now the road layout has changed, and it's something that you need to understand. Let's look at this first sign in Bradford. It's showing you a bus lane, Monday to Friday, 7:30 till 9:30, 4 till 6:30 p.m. So right now the time is 2:57, so that means I can use the bus lane. So each segment of bus lane would be different, and you'd have to read the time for each segment. So if I was to go into this bus lane now, so 4 till 6:30 p.m, I should be within my rights to use that lane. However, there is no sign on this stretch of bus lane that we can see here, and because there's no sign, it means we mustn't use it because we're unsure. As we're following the road ahead, I want you to see the floor markings here. Now this has changed, the layout has changed. What you need to remember is if you're in this lane turning left, look at the floor markings. You will turn left, but you will keep right. You will go into lane 3. The car on the left of me, which is a black Vauxhall Zafira, has the option of A650 Wakefield only. So when he turns left, he mustn't go over that divide line that you can see there. That divide line tells me I cannot go left of that, tells him he cannot come right of that lane. Now usually I've found, especially the last day or two, people will come straight across. Now the reason why they come straight across, there's no sign telling them that the road layout has changed, and they're clearly not looking at the floor markings. But them white lines on the floor are there as a divide. It's to show you what lane you need to go into and why. So when I turn left, you can hear my indicator on. I'm going to go behind the white BMW. I've got an option of the BMW or to turn right and go down towards town by following the black Prius and the blue Audi and the silver car. I can either go there or I can follow the road up towards the interchange, but I cannot go towards the A650. Now we're watching him. He mustn't come into my lane, and the vehicle on my left, this car, should not have come into my lane. Unfortunately, people don't read floor markings and they don't understand how road markings work. So this car, this white coloured car, should not have come into my lane from the lane that they were in. They should have been behind me or in front of